So I wanted to come back this week with another video. I was in Zara yet again. Yes, I know I'm creating a little bit of an obsession only because I never had it so close in any of the places that we lived, but I was there again and I kind of wanted to show you guys what's new and what they have in store. And as they're transitioning, to fall, I kind of wanted to show you just what they have, going on, and also some of the pieces that I picked up. So with the start of fall, it was definitely more things of, the chunky sweaters, the flats, and just the lots of embellishments on the shoes. And I was definitely excited for that. I absolutely love bright colors, and they had a nice mix of blacks, whites, but definitely the colors that I love. And so I definitely wanted to bring you guys along just to kind of come with as I picked out different pieces. I do notice that they're doing a lot of tweeds right now this season. This dress was absolutely beautiful, and I just kept thinking I'm gonna have to go back for that. But knowing my luck, I'm gonna go back and it's gonna be gone. But they had just these great long skirts or short ones. And then I think in one of my last videos, I showed you another haul that I did where I got these shoes but in yellow, and they're flat, and so it was really cute to kind of see that they had them in pink. They also had like a denim option, and then this dress was really cute too, and it's more like a little romper too, but it was just everything so cute for fall, the tweeds and more of the cable knit sweaters. But this was having its own, like, I'm sorry, but Chelsea, Clinton moment with the pantsuits and the sneakers. So that was definitely not my style, but I did love these ballet shoes in that pop of color, and they had that color kind of sprinkled around with different things. And then of course, like the different bags that they had, and I love this one because of the chunky the strap, and that's like a huge trend going on right now. And then they had this jacket, which not so much my style, maybe yours, I'm not sure. Everybody has their own thing, but it was definitely really different. And then with their accessories, just things to kind of dress up your outfit with multicolored jewels, things like that. And then I have to go back for these. These are definitely a staple you'll probably want in your closet. The blazer was awesome, but just being able to have a really nice lightweight sweater shirt with the detailing. They were all about buttons this season, and yeah, I love that embellishment.
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for.
I saw this skirt and I just love the print of it and just like that satin. And I feel like Zara is either more satiny or more cable knits, and tweed. And so I thought you can just kind of pair this skirt with pretty much anything in your closet. I really liked it. And then I saw this suit, and I was like, okay, I'm here for this. The green velvet, it is so fall. Yeah, everything that they have, it's always good. You can never go wrong when you walk into Zara.
What a long night. The week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling.
So I really like these pants, and I was like, I think kind of forcing to make them work. It just, for some reason, I didn't like how it was fitting towards the back, like the butt part. With the shirt, it was really cute, but I figured I already had, black leatherette pants and gray, and I wasn't completely sold. And then with their Zara home, I honestly did not know that they had a home section until I moved here. And it's just more of like their basics, more, you know, Montone tones, you know, things like that, the creams, the beiges that will just kind of work in anybody's like home decor. But they just got their beautiful scents, their towels, and they're really known for their just like their home scents and things like that. So I definitely wanted to pick up some of those as well. And they have amazing candles too.
Power of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday.
Okay, so one of the things that I did pick up, I actually just picked this one up today, is the shirt that I have on. So I found this. I absolutely love bright colors, and I just loved how the design, where it has like the cutout on the neck, and then it just has like the drop shoulder, and that's like one of my favorite parts to kind of show off as well. So it does come with like these straps, and I'm still trying to figure out like, okay, is this supposed to go up here and just kind of sit and just add a little bit more dimension to the top? But I feel like it just keeps falling down. So to be honest, I think I'm actually just going to cut them, because I feel like this part sits a little bit nicer as well. So I kind of paired that with some jeans, and I'll step back and just kind of do like some mod shots of that. But yeah, this is really cute. I just plan on wearing it a little bit more flouncy, like it is tucked in just at the waist, and then just kind of let it hang out. Since it is a little bit shorter, it's hard to kind of keep it in, but if you just kind of put the front, it'll just add a little bit more structure to the outfit and just keep it from looking, you know, just a little bit too sloppy and boxy. So I like to just kind of tuck just the front and then leave the rest, or you can kind of add a belt to that if you want as well. So another one of the items that I picked up, and I just recently wore this out to dinner this past weekend with some friends, is this cute blazer. I absolutely love this. I like the black piping that they have, or not piping, but just the detail around like the collar part, and then the buttons with like the little gold and black, and then they also have just like the extra going around the sleeve, and it's just, yeah, it's really cute. And I just kind of folded it up, but I thought I didn't have anything tweed like this in my closet, and I loved the pink. I thought that was so cute, and it was just an homage to, of course, Chanel, and I thought that was really cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna definitely, yeah, they had other colors, as you can see in the video, so I think I might go back and maybe get a green. My daughter ended up picking out a green tweed one, so I'm gonna have to kind of steal that one from her. It's really nice, and so yeah, so I'll try this one on so you guys can kind of see how this one fits as well. So another recent purchase that I got recently is this beautiful necklace. It's not from Zara, but I just thought it deserved its honorable mention. But there was like an artisan little area, like, I don't know, a block from us, and it's just got like different things. And so me and my husband stumbled upon this jewelry artist, and we kind of went in. Sorry, it's got like hair in it. But we went in, and my husband's like, oh my gosh, I love that one. It's really cute. And so we picked it out, and I thought it was so pretty. I want to put it so you can kind of see. I like the detail of this right here. So you kind of put it around, you know, your neck, and then this is the emblem. No, I don't know if it's kind of picking that up. Sorry. Okay, there we go, with my nail in the way. Yeah, so I thought that was beautiful, and I'm definitely gonna have to go back and get some more things, but yeah, I thought this would be really beautiful to wear with this jacket. But that's just kind of how it fits, and I just love how it has like the dark right here, and then the gold, and then the pendant. So yeah, I think it goes really well with this jacket. And yeah, this vest, tank top I've had forever. It's from Forever 21. But yeah, I thought, well, this is a cute outfit. I just, just put that together. Okay, but yeah, that was really nice, and I just wanted to definitely share this to you guys as something else that I recently picked up. Okay, and another item that I picked up in Zara is these are, I don't know, I think they call them kind of like the sailor high-waisted jeans, but it was, and it's just like a little bit cropped, but I'll kind of show you. But at the time they only had black and white, and this was last week, and I just went in today and they had the white, black, blue, and green. And so yeah, they have like just some different ones, but I just thought this was a really nice fit. I know I was like still just pulling off tags, they're like all over the floor, but yeah, this was, I like it. It just kind of accentuates, pulls in, but it's just really feminine and cute. And I know some people are ready for the high-waisted look to go away, but I really like it. It's really cute. So I've just been kind of grabbing what I can in those styles until they go away, and I'm sure come back. So this one I got in a size 4, I think is, yeah, size 4. And this ran about, well, in Mexico, $7.99. So it's about $35 US. And I will try to link all of these in the description box as well. Okay, and some of the last pieces that I have picked up from Zara is some accessories. So I saw these, and I do have like other loafers and things like that, but nothing in this color, and I thought these were really cute. Sorry, I feel like I keep saying that word recently, and I know it's probably going to get on your nerves, and I'm sorry. I am apologizing, and I do know other words. Okay, so this, loving these, really comfortable. I just uploaded a picture of these on Instagram with a cute outfit that I had on. See, there I go again, sorry. Trying, wait. These with an outfit that I had on the other day, and we just kind of walked around. I actually wore these out to dinner with my husband last night, and I love the fact that, especially being down here, a lot of women wear a lot of flats only because, like I think I've said before, you know, a lot of the roads could be a little bit jaggy, you know, the sidewalks can be a little bit more uneven, and so you don't want to get caught with your heels stuck somewhere. So I just love how there's so many fashionable flats, and they're really comfortable, and you can just, because you do a lot of walking. I walk everywhere now. So I mean, we downsized to 1 car just because I walk so much. But yeah, I really am liking these and the color, and I feel like this color will go with so many things, and I love just kind of like that leather braided detail. Yeah, so I picked these up. And then another item that I picked up just today was one of their perfume scents. I haven't actually opened this one yet. Nice floral scent to it. Oh, it's really nice. I have a thing, I like perfumes. I like to smell good. It's just like how my mom was growing up. But after I take a shower, either in the morning and at night, I put on perfume. During the day, I put on perfume. I love smelling really good, and this is gonna be probably my around the house, I just took a shower scent, and then I have my other scents that I wear when I go out. So I wanted to kind of pick up another one. I was using one from Victoria's Secret, Heavenly, and I just wanted to have something just a little bit more different, but still on the floral side when I go to sleep. So last but not least, yes, they come back in style. My mom had these kind of belts literally in every color, I think, back in the day, in the 80s. And of course, they're back. And I feel like, even though I packed my whole closet, I feel like some things are just missing. And I know I needed a new black wide belt. I think I had one in brown with the gold details. So I really liked this one, and just, yeah, it's like got the little hook, and it just kind of comes around here and just kind of hooks that way. So I just really liked the detail, and that stood out. Oh, you know what? And this kind of reminds me, a girlfriend of mine, when we were in Hawaii. If you didn't see that vlog, go ahead and check that one out. But she picked up a Gucci bag in Hawaii, and I'm just now realizing these kind of resemble the G's that she has on her handbag. So I'm gonna have to send her a picture of that. Yeah, so that's really cute. So I'll kind of just show you how I styled the belt, just like a general idea. And yeah, so you guys can kind of see how that looks. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week in this video. I always have fun just kind of looking around at different shops and trying to just put some ideas together outfit wise, either casual or more dressy. And I love being able to take you guys along with me. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.